I'm Kimberly Kay with your entertainment report from MidHudsonNews.com. Madonna will be the latest musician to have her life told in comic book form. Blue Water Productions will tell her life story in 32 pages as part of its Female Force comics. Blue Water Executive President Jason Schultz says their goal is to show the little-known events and influences that resulted in Madonna becoming the phenomenon she remains to this day. The comic will sell for $3.99 beginning in August. Blue Water has also created comics about Olivia Newton-John, Lady Gaga, Justin Bieber, and Britney Spears. One of the world's most famous digital holdouts, J.K. Rowling, has joined the 21st century, but on her own special terms. The Harry Potter author says she has created a new interactive website to be the exclusive seller of the ebook editions of her popular series. This is an unwelcome surprise for traditional bookstores, which helped Rowling sell hundreds of millions of the Potter novels. But the news is a landmark for the growing electronic market. Ebooks were 1% of total sales 4 years ago. They now account for more than 20%. Well, being an Oscar winner doesn't necessarily protect a star from having a movie go straight to DVD. That's where a drama starring 2 Oscar winners, Renee Zellweger and Forest Whitaker, is going. My Own Love Song has Zellweger as a brown-haired singer who's in a wheelchair. She goes on a road trip with her friend who's a firefighter played by Whitaker. Both Zellweger and Whitaker sing in the film. The soundtrack has original music performed by Bob Dylan. The director of My Own Love Song is French, so it played in France last year for a short time. It was shown at the Tribeca Film Festival. Next stop, DVD on July 19th. Diane Keaton is taking her love of design and putting it in your kitchen. Well, it'll be in your kitchen if you decide to buy a set of her new dinnerware or party dishes. She has a deal with Bed Bath & Beyond, and she tells the New York Times it's pretty remarkable. Keaton says she has a real passion for design, and it means a lot to her to have the opportunity to even try this. The dishes are modern-looking stoneware. She describes the colors as farmy landscape colors inspired by wheatgrass and bark. Keaton also has dishes for entertaining, some of the words yum, bite, eat, and good on them. Jerry Lewis had a health scare Friday near Sydney, Australia that caused a sold-out show to be cancelled. It turns out he's okay, though. He did spend 3 hours in a hospital. A manager for the venue where he was to have performed says Lewis couldn't get out of the car. Lewis's publicist in Vegas says he simply was overtired. He is on a fundraising tour for the Muscular Dystrophy Foundation. Well, on local entertainment news, the Catskill Art Society presents Global Groove Quartet, Saturday, July 9th at 7:30 p.m. So get on the bus with the Global Groove Quartet. Chickens and goats allowed, but no open fires. The group fuses music from around the world in a Silk Road tour. Admission is $8 for CAS members, $10 for non-members. Seating on a first-come, first-served basis with doors opening at 7. That's your latest entertainment report. For a new update daily, log on to MidHudsonNews.com. I'm Kimberly Kay.